Hi guys, once again welcome to XEcon channel. In the last video we have studied about economics and a simple economy and a central problems of an economy. In this video we have to explain tabular and diagrammatic presentation of production possibility frontier. Just as individual face scarcity of resource, the resources of an economy as a whole are always limited in comparison to what the people in the economy collectively want to have. In generally we can tell human wants are unlimited but resources are limited. To the use of scarcity of resource, we have to produce some product for the society. How we can utilize that scarcity of resource? For that we will get some ideas in this concept, that is production possibility frontier. Instead of dealing production possibility frontier concept directly, we must learn what is a production possibility set. The collection of all possible combinations of goods and services that can be produced a given amount of resources and a given stock of technological knowledge is known as production possibility set. In this statement we have to focus on two main things. First one is a given amount of resources and second one is a given stock of technological knowledge. To the use of these two main things, we have to produce some product for the society. How we can produce that we can explain to the use of one example. In the example, consider an economy which can produce corn and cotton. And another one very important statement, resources are fully utilized, means we have to utilize full amount of resource. Production possibility set we can explain in the help of a table. In this table we can observe possibilities corn and cotton. In the different combinations we can observe, that is the different possibilities. In the combination A or possibilities A, 0 units of corn and 10 units of cotton. In 0 units of corn and 10 units of cotton means we are utilizing full amount of resources to produce only corn. Here we are not producing any amount of corn. And in the combination B, we can observe 1 units of corn and 9 units of cotton. We are utilizing total amount of resources to produce both corn and cotton, 1 units of corn and 9 units of cotton. And in the combination C, 2 units of corn and 7 units of cotton. We are utilizing total amount of resources to produce both corn and cotton. In the combination D also same, we are utilizing full amount of resources to produce both corn and cotton, in 3 units of corn and 4 units of cotton. And in the combination E or possibilities E, we are utilizing full amount of resources to produce only corn. Here we are not utilizing any resources to produce cotton. This is the different combinations of goods and services. A given amount of that can be produced, a given amount of resources and a given technological knowledge is known as production possibility set. A diagram. In this diagram we have to consider x-axis refers to corn and y-axis refers to cotton. In this diagram we have to observe different combinations A to E. In first we can take combination A. In the combination A we are utilizing full amount of resources to produce only cotton. Here corn production is 0. In the combination B, we are utilizing full amount of resources to produce both cotton and corn, 9 units of cotton and 1 units of corn. In the combination C, 7 units of cotton and 2 units of corn. In the combination D, we are utilizing full amount of resources to produce both cotton and corn, but units are different. There are 4 units of cotton and 3 units of corn. In the final combination, we are utilizing our full amount of resources to produce only corn. Here cotton production is 0. That time we will get a different combination A, B, C, D, E, different combinations, locus of different combinations of two goods. We will get a one concave curve. That concave curve is known as production possibilities frontier or production possibility curve. We can give one perfect definition for production possibility frontier or production possibilities curve. Production possibility frontier or production possibility curve is a curve which shows various combinations of the amount of two goods which can be produced within the given resources and technology. This is the exact perfect meaning of production possibility frontier or production possibility curve. In production possibility frontier, we must take opportunity cost. If more of scarce resources are used in the production of cotton, less resources are available for the production of corn. If more of scarce resources are used in the production of corn, less resources are available in the production of cotton. Therefore, if you want more unit of cotton, you should have less unit of corn. Thus, there is always cost of having a little more one good in terms of the amount of other good that has to be foregone. This is known as the opportunity cost of an additional unit of the good. This is the tabular and diagrammatic presentation of production possibility frontier. In next video, part number 3, that is related to the centrally planned economy, market economy and a mixed economy, and what are the main differences between positive and normative economics, and what are the main differences between microeconomics and macroeconomics. To get my video, please subscribe and enter the bell icon. Get notification when I upload anything new. Thank you.